Good morning! So I'm here in this beautiful place. As you can see, mountains over here and lake. So I came yesterday very late in the evening, and that I didn't make the end of Father's Day vlog, so sorry for that. But today I put the solar panels on the top of the car because it's very sunny and my battery almost exhausted. Today's plan is to see the glacier right here. We will see how far we can go and reach that snow. Stay tuned. Just starting hiking, and right now is 12:38. I can see the glacier. Yeah, I didn't travel a lot, but I can see it. It's right here. Yeah, cool. Okay, it doesn't seem that path is very uphill, but actually it's very rocky, so it makes difficult to walk. It's very interesting if I need to go this path, but I think, yeah, this is the right way. I don't know if you can see, but this creature is very interesting. I don't know what is it, but I need to go all this way until I reach the snow or glacier. I can see the fall. Cool. So right now it's 13:34, so I'm hiking about an hour. I think I will walk all this way also about an hour, maybe more. I don't know how many kilometers I walk, but yeah. Can you see how many flies in here? And this big one. I don't know if you can see, this is the glacier and the snow, but over here is waterfall. I think fog from the water makes the rainbow, and it's very funny because it's changing color or different on view angle. Right now it's like orange, yellow, and I don't know, 50 meters before it was green, blue. And I found the fall, but it was quite steam. I didn't talk a lot because it was very loud and probably will not hear me. So yeah. Oh, I found another one. I think I reached the final point of this route, what was on the map, but I don't want to stop actually. I think I move forward. I tried to see if I can go without the path. Also, I know that the water is very clear, so probably, yeah, because it's got stream from the mountains with the ice on snow. So, but still it's beautiful. these rocks is not so easy to climb, but yeah, we're not so far. I'm feeling that I can reach the snow with my hand, but yeah, it's a little bit way. So it's in distance, so I need to go through this. But yeah, we are coming. So our route a little bit changing because we saw the snow, not this one, and we saw the animals on that snow. So we climbing to check what kind of animal, but I think this is oh, not there. The snow is here, but it's actually weather changing because it's becoming very cold. Snow. Oh, it's snow in the summer. So it's very hard to reach to the top because it's snow. And I'm not prepared, but yeah, I also will take off the glimpse. Spotting here, this is a reindeer. We decided actually to see if we can make it, because we get down from that ice over here. So yeah, we're going at the coast at this, I don't know which it is, but it's windy. I don't think you can hear me clearly. Yeah, we're trying to reach this ice, this snow piece, so we will see if we can make it, because over here is not actually clear if we can climb it or walk it. One of the hardest point I think is here, because you need to climb on these rocks over and over, and we don't know how to get onto this one. So yeah, but it's so close. So we found a path. I don't know where it's going, but hopefully it will be easier to go. Okay, this is a difficult one. Okay, so this one is actually dangerous one. Okay, this is the most dangerous one. Yeah, this path stopped us from going through nearby fall, so no big deal actually, but I wanted to see, but yeah, not always you can get whatever you want, so maybe next time. Okay, we are getting back, and right now it's 6 p.m. and we have to go all the way to the bus. It could be 4 hours, I believe, maybe less, because yeah, it's all the path from bus to here is 8 kilometers, but we couldn't reach the fall, so I think this is 1 kilometer, but yeah, it could be a bit less. It's hard to hiking those narrow paths. We're going back. almost reached the resting point, and we rest for about 10 minutes. From there we have 2.8 kilometers to the van. It could take about 40 minutes, maybe more, maybe less. We will see. Right now is 7 p.m. and 20 minutes. I think we can reach at 8 o'clock in the evening. That's the plan. So we'll see. We will go faster, I suppose. Oh, I see the van! Finally! Finally, we are at the van. So all the hike from that resting point took 48 minutes. So yeah, because we are tired and we need to get back, it was longer than we expected. So yeah, for today I think it's all. I see you in next day.